Hey there, welcome back to the Silent US. Have you ever found yourself wondering how to grab the attention of that one person who seems completely out of reach? Maybe someone who's drop dead gorgeous and seems to have everyone's eyes on them, but they just keep ignoring you. Well, stick around, because today we're diving into exactly what you can do to turn the tables and make even the most beautiful people stop ignoring you. Let's get into it. First off, let's break this down. Why do some people seem so unattainable? It's not just their looks. It's their aura, their confidence, and the fact that they're used to being pursued. If you want them to notice you, you've got to change the narrative. And the best way to do that: don't play the game the way everyone else does. People who get a lot of attention are often bombarded by flattery and superficial compliments. But here's the secret: authenticity is rare. If you can show genuine interest in who they are, beyond their appearance, you've already separated yourself from the crowd. Ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, and show that you're not just another admirer. Now let's talk about confidence. This one is huge. You've probably heard it a million times, but confidence truly is magnetic. And I'm not talking about arrogance or pretending to be someone you're not. I'm talking about being comfortable in your own skin and owning who you are. Confidence is about body language. To stand tall, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to smile. These subtle cues communicate that you're someone worth noticing. Beautiful people aren't just looking for someone who notices them. They're drawn to people who know their own worth. Here's another powerful tool: mystery. The most beautiful people are often surrounded by people who overshare or try too hard to impress them. Instead, keep an air of intrigue. Share enough about yourself to pique their interest, but don't lay all your cards on the table at once. One great way to do this is by not being overly available. If you're always around, they're less likely to value your presence. Play it cool, focus on your own life, and let them wonder what you're up to. Remember, scarcity creates value. Physical beauty can grab attention, but emotional connections are what make people stick around. To get someone to stop ignoring you, you need to create a bond that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Be vulnerable, share your passions, your dreams, and even your fears. This creates a sense of intimacy and shows that you're not afraid to be real. When someone sees that you're not just chasing their looks, but genuinely want to know them, it's a game changer, all right. Let's talk about flirting done right. Flirting can be an incredibly powerful way to catch someone's attention. The key is to keep it light, playful, and respectful. Use humor to break the ice. Tease them gently, and don't be afraid to use body language. A playful touch on the arm or maintaining eye contact for just a second longer than usual can create a spark. But remember, subtlety is key. Overdoing it can come across as desperate. One of the best ways to make someone stop ignoring you is to add value to their life. Think about what you bring to the table. Are you supportive, inspiring, or fun to be around? Beautiful people are drawn to those who enrich their lives. In some way, be the person who uplifts them. Whether it's through encouraging words, a helping hand, or just making their day a little brighter. When you become someone they associate with positivity, they'll naturally want to be around you. Finally, remember that changing someone's perception of you takes time. Don't get discouraged if they don't notice you right away. Keep being your authentic, confident self and trust the process. Sometimes the best things come to those who wait. Consistency is key. If you keep showing up as the best version of yourself, they'll eventually take notice. And when they do, it'll be worth the wait. And there you have it. By being authentic, confident, and adding value to someone's life, you can make even the most beautiful people stop ignoring you. Remember, it's not about changing who you are to fit someone else's expectations. It's about being the best version of yourself and letting that shine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.